A very, very good evening and welcome to everybody here at the Hero Women's Hockey India League. Yet another cracker of a contest that's set to be underway in not too long from now. It's the Delhi SG Pipers taking on the Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers in day number 3, match number 3 of the Women's Hockey India League.
Happy Makar Sankranti, Rachi. It's match number 3. Delhi SG Pipers versus Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers. Both the captains are here. Navneet Kaur, Bodhi Girl, Udita Duhan, and so are the on-field umpires. All in readiness. It's time to flip the coin.
स्टार्ट
आइए बोधे गोल ने टॉस तो जीत लिया क्या करने का डिसाइड किया आपने
गेम स्टार्ट करने का
Okay, you heard it from Udita herself. They will start the play.
Very good evening to you as well, Arun. Very good evening to everybody who's tuning in. Crucial match and in many respects not far from being a must-win encounter for both these teams.
It is the Delhi SG Pipers who will take on the Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers. Both the teams will be suitably hungry for their very first win, coming as they do on the back of a defeat. Delhi SG Pipers have had a day to ruminate over that loss, while Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers probably have the benefit of a very quick turnaround.
We'll take a look at the teams. Delhi SG Pipers lining up with this starting lineup for today. Watch out for the pace of players like Sunilita Topo, Sangeeta Kumari bombing down the right with Navneet Kaur and Lily Owsley, who had an impressive outing in the previous match, expected to make a big difference.
Indeed, we will also take a look at the Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers. Of course, this is the Delhi SG Pipers on your screen, but the Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers will have Grace O'Hanlon on goal. There is Udita and Ashley Hoffman in central defence, and there is of course Catherine Mullen and Beauty Dung Dung Hannah Cotter, who scored for Srachi Rar yesterday. All up front, it's a 3-woman forward line again, who will look to make good on some of the opportunities they get.
10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 let's play.
And yes, the pushback is upon us, and pushing from left to right in their all-white outfit today will be the Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers. From right to left in their orange and a dash of blue would be the Delhi SG Pipers. This is Arun Venugopal in the commentary box alongside Debo and Sen. A very good evening again to one and all.
Early attack from Srachi Rar Tigers, who remember had scored first in their previous match as well. They will probably need to start with this kind of momentum.
It was a great ball, very enterprising. A slew of passes there, keeping the defense real, and that is something that the Pipers will have to guard against. Dave Smolinas, of course, the coach of the Delhi SG Pipers, also the analytical coach of the Indian women's side, knows a thing or two about the local talent. Once again, the Delhi SG Pipers are finding some space and finding some enterprise through their foreign players. It's the captain now, Navneet Kaur, who was in possession of the ball ever so briefly, but Lily Owsley was the one who gave them the injection of momentum. Both the teams are looking to stretch the pitch wide and to ensure that the full press is applied whenever they can. This was good work from Mahima Chaudhary on that occasion.
It's come because of a slightly rash tackle. Just a stick check inside the D. Was a good sweeping move and a good pass to begin with from Ishika. Great bit of skill to get past Marina and then slipping this one through. And this is where this particular challenge allowing Delhi SG Pipers to get their chance for their first goal.
It looks like it will be Deepika who takes the drag flick. A good save there. Very smart use of her right kickers there. And it needed all of her stretching ability to ensure that the goal was kept out. Grace O'Hanlon, the Black Sticks keeper for a long time, has done well on that occasion. Take 2, and Emma Pouvre, the designated injector for Team Belgium, will be the one injecting here as well. It will be Deepika once again, and this time too, there was a clear deflection that took the ball way over the bar. And here's an opportunity to break for the Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers. Just 2 SG Pipers players in the back. It's a 2v2 situation there. And it is Mullen who's looking for presence up front. Yet another display of good goalkeeping. This time coming in from Elodie Picard of Belgium, showing that she is worth her weight in gold as well.
I was just a little disappointed with the option taken by Grace Stewart, because she had Catherine Mullen on the right, but she could have passed it to the left. There was a player running in there, number 19, Priyanka Wankhede. She was in a great position actually to finish that off, but just chose to go with that. Quarter the way almost they had done.
And Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers are looking to just play out the remainder of the first quarter, really, because it's been a blitz of attacks, a series of blitzing attacks from the Pipers. They need a semblance of control here in midfield. Now an opportunity again, looking to make the circle and see. They have the circle and see. They have the penalty corner with just over 3 seconds left in this first quarter. Rama Portnis has awarded a penalty corner, the very first for the Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers.
And just to explain to anybody who might be tuning into hockey for the very first time, irrespective of how much time there's left, even if there's 1 second, if there is a penalty corner, then it is played out till the hooter goes for the end of the quarter. And in fact, if there are repeat penalty corners, then those will be taken as well. So this is a great opportunity for Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers.
She looks like the lone castle at the moment, does Ashley Hoffman. It's not the cleanest halt, and that will be that. As far as quarter one is concerned, it's been a heart-stopping end-to-end encounter so far. The Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers, turning out in their all-white kit today, did start off with a bang, but the Delhi SG Pipers did return fire with plenty of gumption as well. And as we wind down the opening quarter, it's 0-0. Welcome back to the Hero Women's Hockey India League, and it's the start of quarter two. If you've just joined in, both the Delhi SG Pipers and the Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers are deadlocked at 0-0 so far. And in a little while from now, the second quarter will be upon us. It will be Mullen who will take stock of things. Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers are kitted in all white, are pushing from left to right, and in their orange and blue attire are Delhi SG Pipers from right to left. It's been fascinating so far. Deboyan, what do you make of the proceedings so far? Which team, in your opinion, has had the wood on the other?
It's an interesting one, because while it has been Delhi SG Pipers who have looked a little more threatening on the attack, I think Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers, as was the case yesterday, have begun quite well defensively, and they've looked good on the counter-attacks as well. So very difficult to predict who's going to score first, but one gets the impression there won't be too many goals in today's game. But I said that yesterday as well, and we got 5 goals.
I think all of us would agree upon, and even as we speak, Delhi SG Pipers have made an entry. Here's an opportunity. Emma Pouvre was brought down inside the circle, and that would mean a penalty corner. And this has come hot on the heels of the start of the second quarter. The Bengal Tigers are protesting the decision. They can go upstairs for a referral, let's not forget, but I don't think they will do that.
She was running with a great amount of pace, and the final obstruction did come from 2 defenders who were across her. And that was pretty much the issue. The fact that this tap in and then the subsequent fall.
It will be Emma Pouvre again. A clean hold. It's Navneet Kaur. He's taken a shot. There is an opportunity to deflect. Can she bury it home? No. Grace O'Hanlon has absolutely kept the ball under check, and she's renowned to have some of the fastest reflexes for an international goalkeeper, and she's just showing why. Lucky to have is that woman on your screen, the birthday girl Udita Duhan, the captain. But here was a mistake, a missed pass, and there's just a defender behind. It's a 2v1 situation, but Deepika, can she do something here? Not to be, and yet another chance goes a begging for the Pipers.
Great hockey, stunning save, superb shot, good officiating as well to play advantage. Just look at this. First gets the foot, then gets that ball back, and Grace O'Hanlon has set herself beautifully and uses her left glove to palm it away.
Now SG Pipers again finding a lot of space in the midfield. This will concern the Bengal Tigers coach. Was there a foot inside the circle? No. And here's an opportunity for Bengal Tigers to break. There are fewer numbers there. It is a 1v2. An opportunity here for Mullen, and she does open the scoring. This time she switches to the left flank. And finally, the deadlock has been broken. I think it's Hannah Cotter who has opened the scoring like she did yesterday. Or it's in fact Mullen. It is in fact Mullen who has switched flanks, and Catherine Mullen has opened the scoring for the Srirachi Roar Bengal Tigers.
Well, you could give the goal to Cotter because it was Cotter's ball. It was a superb through ball, watching a little bit of a gap in the defense, and look at that finish from Mullen. Watching the goalkeeper come out of her line, that's what she decides. Just goes on the reverse and just chips it over. This is a finish that would do any forward really proud. Anticipating the move from the goalkeeper and playing against that. Glenn Turner is thrilled to bits because this is the perfect start for Srirachi Roar Bengal Tigers in the second quarter.
First goal has brought. It's a good aerial now. It's a great opportunity, and she's the only player up front is Mumtaz Khan. She will look for company, and it's been thwarted yet again by Grace O'Hanlon. A penalty corner has nevertheless been awarded, and Delhi SG Pipers will have yet another crack at the goal.
And here's another opportunity. This is exactly what happened. Sweeping attempt, and then just coming off her and deemed to have been dangerous with Navneet Kaur attacking through.
Yes, it was marginal. It's not the kind of flagrant foul the teams will frown upon, but this time a change in the injector. Elizabeth Neal will be the one handling the injections. Deepika doesn't take the drag flick. It is in fact Navneet Kaur who takes the shot, but the result doesn't change.
The captain Navneet Kaur, and again a poor trapping, just not being able to trap properly at the moment, the SG Pipers. Absolutely long way to go in this match, in this league as well, even though there are only 12 games in all in the league stages. We'll also have a look at the men. In fact, each of the men's teams will also be in action here in Ranchi in the course of the next fortnight.
Sunilita Topa in action. Opportunity here. Yet again a deflection. Somehow the goal has eluded the Pipers, but they do get another penalty corner. They're fourth in all, and they're third in this quarter. That was absolutely close.
And once again it falls to the golden girl, Deepika, with a great opportunity to finish this off. In fact, it was Navneet on the reverse, but just getting in the way of that was Sushila Chanu. Good brave defending, making sure she got her body in, but unfortunately it also deflected onto the leg.
Navneet Kaur is in the second battery. It will go to the first battery, and it was in fact Stephanie de Groove who took the drag flick. Yet again, Srirachi Roar Bengal Tigers showing how adept they have been in PC defense. It's an area where you have to compliment Dave Smolinas and his men.
And Fiona Crackles, she's been outstanding for the Srirachi Roar Bengal Tigers across these two games. Yet again, she was the first rusher who snuffed it right at the very base. So 4 PCs which have not been utilized by Delhi SG Pipers. That's a major area of improvement for them in the second half.
It's a problem that we saw during the first game as well. They have another expert drag flicker in Manisha, whom they have not really engaged. And you do sense that Deepika has also not been optimally utilized, but that will be that. As far as the opening period is concerned, the hooter marks the end of the first half, and at the end of it, it is the Srirachi Roar Bengal Tigers who played catch-up for the most part, who now have the lead. The Delhi SG Pipers on your screen will have a moment to reflect upon. We'll have a quiet word or two, but at halftime, it is the Srirachi Roar Bengal Tigers who lead with a goal. It's Srirachi Roar Bengal Tigers 1, Delhi SG Pipers 0. It's time now for the second half action here as quarter 3 is all set to be underway. The Delhi SG Pipers will continue in their orange and blue attire. They'll push from left to right in their all-white kit. The Srirachi Roar Bengal Tigers will push from right to left in the commentary box. This is Arun Venugopal, and alongside me is Divine Set.
Must say, Arun, once again, day 3, it's a great turnout here at the Marang Gomke, Jaipal Singh Astroturf Hockey Stadium in Ranchi. Telling you that hockey really is in the blood of the people here. There's a common joke, not just here, but also in Coorg in Karnataka, that children learn to play hockey before they learn to walk.
It was Ousley who was halted in her tracks. Good ball, circle entry has been achieved. A snapshot, and it did almost hit the backboard. It just came off the post. A penalty corner has been given on that occasion.
Yes, we'll have to see if Grace O'Hanlon has been converted or is it still her. It is indeed her. In fact, that's a great save from the defender. Oh, how close is that? Navneet looking to tap that in, and how has that somehow bounced back in?
But it's in fact Jennifer Rizzo who's under the bar now. A penalty corner this time. Navneet Kaur adopts a variation, and there will be a retake now. Another opportunity, another crack at the PC opportunity.
Must say that was a terrible injection. That was so slow. That was absolutely painfully slow, and it just gave too much time for the defense. They've got to do better now.
Here's an opportunity. Navneet Kaur once again, and Jennifer Rizzo keeps it out. Good defending there. And there will be penalty corner number 3. Welcome, Jennifer Rizzo. Say the Pipers as they keep peppering her with one PC after another.
Well, this is what it must feel like to be in the Pipers pit, because that's what's going on. The Delhi SG Pipers with relentless pressure.
Watch out for De Groot, who's in battery number 1, along with Navneet in the second battery. They go with Navneet again, and she plays it out to the side. It's a clunky piece of penalty corner conversion. Yet again, the Delhi SG Pipers have been faltering in their PC conversion. And now the Bengal Tigers will have an opportunity to break. It's a 2v1 situation. The goalkeeper's well out, and the deflection was outside, from outside the shooting circle. It's a crowd goal. Beauty Dangdang will parry it away to relative safety. Not too long.
Lily Ousley yet again. She's put this ball into the box. There is an attempt there.
And it will be a penalty corner. It was a cynical tackle that Marina Lal Ramghaki had to make.
A superb work actually, which was initiated from defense, from Preeti Dubey, the way that she took the ball away. And then the pace of Mumtaz Khan making this attack possible. Navneet Kaur just bundled over. And that's why the penalty corner. Now they've got to do better. They've really let themselves down with the penalty corner execution thus far.
Preeti Dubey will provide the injection. It will be De Groot who takes the shot way over the bar. It could have been a deflection as well.
Yes, long corner given, trying the slap De Groot on that occasion, the old-fashioned way of taking penalty corners. It was interesting because Navneet Kaur was right there, but they chose to go with a little bit of a variation. So trying a few different things, Delhi SG Pipers, just a bit of panic, Arun.
Indeed, and it's something we have seen in the first half as well. Their halting hasn't been all that confident. And I think because of that, they have been fighting shy of making a more conservative choice. But here is an opportunity yet again for the SG Pipers. Lily Ousley along the right finds Mumtaz Khan. Circle entry has been made. Good defending yet again from the Bengal Tigers. And now Hannah Cotter on the left is all by herself. And she looks up to find only one forward, and it was a smart call in the end. Not pulling the trigger and going back to Vandana Kataria.
Just an exceptionally calm bit of defending from Shrachirar Bengal Tigers, and look how that's enabled them to convert this into attack.
Vandana Kataria will look to skittle past the defender. Playing. She was looking for the advantage, but the penalty corner has anyway been given to the Shrachirar Bengal Tigers. But given how
there was a foul which was between the dotted line and the circle, so that always leads to a penalty corner. She was getting into a good position, and this is where the obstruction happened. Just holding on to her for a little while. Here's an opportunity.
And they have a number of trusted options. Ashley Hoffman, of course, is also there. It does go to her. An opportunity which again went a begging. It was Ashley Hoffman who took the shot. Mumtaz Khan seems a little overstretched on that occasion. She is looking a little bit tired. And now an opportunity yet again for Shrachirar Bengal Tigers to pile on the misery. They already have a goal. And it's been end-to-end. Both the teams have been providing a high turnover.
Siami finding Lalrin Pui, but Lalrin Pui was not able to make enough of that possession. So just a little bit sloppy, but that was close. That penalty corner as well was well executed by Ashley Hoffman, but exceptional save. Bichu Devi possibly in goal now.
Now again, the SG Pipers fancying the right channel. They're not been able to make a penetrative pass. Sangeeta Kumari, we haven't seen too much of her. If the SG Pipers have to make a dent in this tournament, in this league, it is the likes of Sangeeta Kumari.
That's where somebody like a Deepika, hopefully she will step up here for the Delhi SG Pipers. So far been a quiet tournament for her. Close to 3/4 of this match played out.
And now looking to mount a counter are the Srachir Rar Bengal Tigers. They do have options. Hannah Cotter is right up front, desperately seeking the ball. Jyoti does give the supply, but now SG Pipers have regrouped in defense.
Just incredible to see the pace of this game from all the teams. The way that they transition from offense to defense, the running, the athleticism, the flexibility, the fitness levels. It's been quite exceptional across these 3 games.
Now, personally, I would love to see a heat map of Hannah Cotter. The amount of ground she has covered, literally and otherwise, and the angles that she has created, and her off-the-ball movement has been absolutely fascinating. And if you are a young player watching from the dugout, that's great learning. And that learning shall wait, and that learning shall carry on even as the 3rd quarter has come to an end. And the Pipers have only 15 minutes now to restore parity. But at the end of quarter number 3, Srachir Rar Bengal Tigers hold on to the lead by 1-0 against the Delhi SG Pipers. Now they have the 4th and the final quarter, all of 15 minutes to restore parity. The SG Pipers from left to right will be pushing on in their orange and blue kit, in their all white attire. The Srachir Rar Bengal Tigers are pushing in from right to left.
This is where Delhi SG Pipers have got to throw everything at their opponents, keep their errors down to a minimum and try and ensure that they get as many attacking players in the opposition third as possible.
And we have seen how the Delhi SG Pipers have rotated the goalkeepers every quarter. We saw Elodie Picard now taking a breather in the dugout, even as Bichu Devi, India's number 2 goalkeeper for a long time, has taken a place under the bar, even as the Bengal Tigers are looking for goal number 2. An opportunity here, Emma Pouvre, and she is brought down, but no foul. It was in fact Roshan Upton who was brought down. The Bengal Tigers are not happy. They are gesturing that the team takes a referral.
It's possibly just losing control of that ball there and falling on her own. So in that sense, it was a perfect decision. But good work from Beauty Dangdang to set her up.
No, I think the outrage from the Bengal Tigers dugout was also possibly because a stick did jut into the body of Upton. So that's why they seemed a little peeved by the decision. And another opportunity, looking for the deflection.
It's good pressure at the moment from Delhi SG Pipers. Bit more players getting into attack. They need more of that. They need less of those passes going back to defense. But that's often just a sign of regrouping.
Yet again, both the teams are trying to win the ball in the midfield, but it's a transgression, and we'll have to see who has been slapped with a yellow card. Is that the Srachir Rar captain? Yes, it's the birthday girl, Udita Duhan. She has a smile on her face, but she'll be out of action for at least 5 minutes.
The first Indian woman to get a hat-trick at the Olympics. Helped beat South Africa 4-3, which went a long way towards their historic campaign in Tokyo.
Now an opportunity for the SG Pipers. They make the circle entry. Will this be the equalizer? The moment that they've been waiting for desperately continues to elude them.
Sushila Chanu, she was brilliant yesterday in defense, and yet again she was the one who denied that opportunity. Excellent bit of defending by the experienced India international. You'll watch her just push this one and deflect it off the baseline, not intentionally, which is why it wasn't a PC.
And Emma Pouvre has acted as their pivot. To me, she remains the crucial link between attack and defense. And she has played her part, but the others need to step up. There was a foul again, dispossessing a Srachir Rar player, Vandana Kataria, off her stick, and that will result in a green card. And I think it is an SG Pipers player who will cop that green card. In fact, a Srachir Rar Bengal Tigers player who will cop it. Is that Vandana Kataria? It looks like Vandana Kataria, who will have to spend a couple of minutes on the naughty step.
Yeah, just getting her body in the way. The stick flying away, and that's why the penalty corner also conceded.
There is also Deepika in battery number 1. It will be Deepika this time from the first battery. But there is an element of friendly fire there as she finds the feet of her teammate. But there will be a resetting. There will be another penalty corner. It will be Deepika again. Takes a nice flick. It's perhaps been the best drag flick so far, yet off target. But despite that, they were in.
In fact, the very first tournament with the 4-minute 15-quarter format was played in India in 2014.
SG Pipers make the circle entry. An opportunity here. Denied, thwarted, dangerously, but a living nevertheless.
Superb run down the right, and to have created that virtual opportunity was a credit to the way that Sunelita Topo had made that run and almost sneaking that one through. In fact, for a while, I thought they had begun celebrating. And the penalty corner conversion obviously is something that will be debated in the team meetings.
I think that's one area where they've been pretty poor all through, regardless of their ebbs and flows. Otherwise, now an opportunity, a penalty corner, number 11. And yet, how not one of those has been converted.
Yes, just a stick check, which was well inside range. And that's what the penalty corner was given for. But superb skills yet again from Deepika.
Well, Deepika really needs to ratchet up her drag flick game. She's known for that. She scored 11 goals. Doesn't look like she's in the battery. It's again a roundabout attempt with Navneet Kaur taking a rather feckless, feeble shot.
Stick.
Good bit of dispossessing now with under a minute and a half now. The goalkeeper has also been withdrawn. An opportunity for Mullen to make it 2-0. There is also Hannah Cotter on the right. Great attempt to bring back the ball under control. Hannah Cotter is in wait, but the SG Pipers have regrouped in numbers now. It's a jostle, it's a tussle, but the ball will be won by the Pipers.
They don't need to do anything different here. Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers can just keep it on the corner, run the clock down. This is excellent game management from them.
And the goalkeeper has been withdrawn. The Bengal Tigers have it. The Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers have won their first game of the competition, condemning the Delhi SG Pipers to a defeat. And look at how much that means to that dugout. They were desperate for a win coming in, and back-to-back games on consecutive days has not deterred them, and they've come back and stormed back to a win.
Fabulous effort, fabulous gift to the captain Udita Duhan. A good defensive performance in spite of some lapses in terms of the cards taken. But finally it does finish Delhi SG Pipers 0, Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers 1 on the night. Their first victory of this campaign.